Welcome friends. In this video I am going to show you my top 3 altcoins which I think can easily give you 5x to 10x profit in this year 2021. That is why I am making this video. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. And if you want to join my VIP Signal channel, then please contact me on my Telegram. And if you want to learn technical analysis, then please also contact me on my Telegram. Let me please show you first of all the Bitcoin chart, and I will tell you what will be the next move of the Bitcoin after the pump. And after that, I will do technical analysis and I will do price prediction for my 3 favorite altcoins, which I think can easily give you 5x, maybe 10x in this year 2021. So please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. Let me please show you the Bitcoin chart. Sorry for that. Here you can see Bitcoin is currently rejected from that zone which I mentioned in my previous video. I was told you that this is very strong resistance for the Bitcoin and very strong sell zone for the Bitcoin. And here you can see how perfectly Bitcoin face resisting on that point, and after that we see a price drop of the Bitcoin approximately $2,000, and it was the rejection of $2,000 to $2,500, and it was rejected from $55,800. And in my previous video I was told you that Bitcoin was in this descending wedge, and after that I was told you that maybe Bitcoin can go to hit this zone which was $46,000, and after that I was tell you that maybe it can go to test 43, and once it break this, and after that it have to hit this zone, and that was our first target. Many congratulations to all of you who took this trade, and now Bitcoin is currently at $54,523. Let me please tell you what is the next target. I think Bitcoin have to break this zone. Once Bitcoin break this zone, in that case Bitcoin definitely have to move towards upside. Let me please show you the target. According to the support and resistance base, Bitcoin have to hit, let me please tell you. According to the support and resistance base, Bitcoin have to hit this zone, which is once Bitcoin break $57,000. In that case, Bitcoin can easily hit this target, which is, let me please show you, $61,000. This is the target of support and resistance base, and according to the technical pattern, descending wedge, the target is the beginning of this descending wedge, which is $63,700. Bitcoin have to hit $63,700. This will be our second target. Our first target will be $61,400, and our second target will be the beginning of this falling wedge, which is $63,700. These are two targets. Currently, I think Bitcoin can hit these targets. But if unfortunately Bitcoin rejected again and Bitcoin moved towards downside, in that case maybe it can go down to 50,000 again. All eyes are on this resistance level, which is currently is at 55,900 to let me please show you, $56,700. Once Bitcoin break $56,700 and close daily candle above this, in that case Bitcoin have to move towards upside and hit my target $61,400 and $63,000. These are two targets. Otherwise Bitcoin can, if Bitcoin rejected from that zone, in that case Bitcoin can go to again 50,000 and 500, maybe $50,000. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon, and after that I will show you my top 3 coins. Candles are in between EMA ribbon, and once candles break this EMA ribbon and upside horizontal resistance, in that case $61,000 and $63,000 are our target. And let me please show you the volume. there is a volume is very satisfactory, and I think we can expect a big move within 48 hours. I think so. Bitcoin can move towards the upside within 48 hours. I think so. Let me please show you my top 3 coins which I think can easily give you 5x to 10x in this year 2021. Let me please show you my first coin. My first coin is my hot favorite, which is VeChain VET. VET is currently trading at $0.19 and price decreases 5.5% in 24 hours. Current rank of VeChain is 14, and it is a very good project and very good coin, and easily can give you 5x to 10x in this year. And current market cap of this token is $12 billion. 24-hour trading volume of this token is $3 billion. Circulating supply of this token is $86 billion. Maximum supply of this token is $86 billion. And circulating supply of this token is $64 billion. And let me please show you some price and market stats. In 30 days, this token gives 118% profit to its holders. In 1 year, this token gives 4,383% profit to its holders. VeChain return on investment is 2,464%, which is very good. All-time high of VeChain was on April 19, 2021, about 10 days ago, and the price was 28 cents, $0.28. All-time low of the VeChain was on March 13, 2020, about 1 year ago, and the price was 0.001917. And let me please show you the maximum chart of the VeChain. Here you can see how parabolically it is moving, and let me please show you in 2nd of January it was the price was just 0.019, you can say 2 cents, and after that how beautifully it moves and price hit this level, and it is the gain of maximum 15x to 17x, which is very good in this year. And it is currently available on these exchanges: Binance, Upbit, Ocean, BCC, and some other important exchanges. And if you want to trade this coin on Binance Exchange, and if you want to buy this coin on Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's description or comment section, where you can get the link of the Binance Exchange. Just click on this link, and this link is also available in this video's comment section. Click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds. Let me please show you the chart, and let me please show you the targets. This is VET USD 1-day chart, and currently it is trading at $0.19, $0.1962, and it was rejected from that zone, which is $0.2285, and you can say 22.85 cents. And after that, it is now currently trading at 19.6 cents, and all-time high of VeChain on the Binance chart is 0.28. Let me please tell you what is the immediate short-term target, and after that I will tell you how can VeChain easily hit 5x to 10x in this year. First of all, let me please tell you immediate short-term targets. According to the support and resistance base, once VeChain break this horizontal resistance, which is at 0.2273, 22.73 cents, after that this will be the over target 30 cents. 30 cents is our immediate short-term target. It can hit within 2 days, 3 days, or maybe within 1 week. This will be the target. And let me please show you how much this token give profit to its holders in this year 2021. Let me please show you. Let me please arrange this chart. This token gives 1638% profit to its holders in 2021 within just 4 months. This token gives 1600% profit to its holders, which means 16x. That is why I am very much sure that this token can easily hit 5x to 10x. Let me please show you what is the price prediction once it breaks its all-time high. In that case, I think it can easily hit my target. Let me please show you. It is currently is at you can say 20 cents, and let me please arrange this. According to the strong fundamentals and strong technical things, I think this is the minimum target, $1.15 or $1.25. This token can easily hit $1 to $1.25, maybe $1.50, maybe $2 in this year 2021. If this token hits 5x from the current running price, in that case it can easily hit $1.15 or $1.17. Let me please show you the tool, which I think very important, and which I think can easily show you how much this token can do in this year. Here you can see this is a Fib retracement tool, and according to the Fib retracement, the next level is 0.44 and other next level is 0.72. Sorry, the first level which we have to wait 0.22, and after that 0.28, 0.44 and 0.71. And according to the Fib retracement, here you can see 1.16 is the target, the minimum target 5x. This token can easily hit 5x in this year 2021. Let me please show you my next pick, which is Solana. Solana is currently trading at $16, and Solana is a launchpad and where tokens are launching on this platform, and Solana has very bright future and very good token. Current rank of Solana is 15, and current price of Solana is $46, and price increases 5.9% in just 24 hours. Market cap of Solana is $12 billion. 24-hour trading volume of Solana is $1.4 billion. Circulating supply of Solana is just 270 million, which is very low, and that is the reason. Good coin, good project, our launchpad, and with only 270 million circulating supply are the main reasons that Solana can easily hit 5x, maybe 10x, maybe 20x in this year 2021. Circulating supply of Solana is 270 million, and maximum supply of Solana is just 488 million, which is very low, very low. Let me please show you some statistics. In 30 days, Solana gives 155% profit to its holders. In 1 year, Solana gives 7,996% profits, which is near about 80x profit to its holder, which is very good. And all-time high of this Solana was on April 25, 2021, about 3 days ago, and the price was $48.46. All-time low of the Solana was on May 11, 2020, about 12 months ago, and the price was $0.50. And here you can see how beautifully Solana moves and how parabolically it is moving towards upside. Let me please show you. On 1st of January 2021, the price of Solana was just $1.84. and now it is trading at I think $46, and here you can see 23x return Solana gives in this year 2021, and it is currently available on these exchanges: Binance, BBC, OKX, and some other exchanges. And if you want to buy Solana and if you want to trade Solana on Binance exchange, then please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of the Solana, and this link where you can get the link of Binance exchange, and this link is also available on my in this video's comment section. Let me please show you the chart of the Solana. Friends, please thumbs up the like button for the motivation. This video is very important, and please do your own research before buying this token. I will not responsible. This video is just for informational purpose. I am not giving any financial advice. This video is just for informational purpose only. Let me please show you the chart of Solana. Solana 1 day USDT chart, and this is the chart of Binance exchange. Solana is currently at $44.98, and after hitting $48.7, Solana rejected from that zone, and after that it is now at $44.98. Let me please show you how much profit Solana gives in this year 2021. Let me please show you. Friends, please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. Here you can see in this year Solana give 25x according to the Binance chart. 25x, 2550% profit to its holders, which means 25x. Solana gives 25x profit to its holders in this just 4 months. And let me please show you immediate short-term target for the Solana, and after that I will show you how much profit it can give you and how much gain it can gain in this year 2021. This is the immediate short-term target when Solana break this zone, which is $48.80 or $90. In that case, $56 is our first target for this Solana, and it will create new all-time high. If I calculate, sorry for that. If I calculate just 5x from that current running price, in that case Solana's price will be, let me please show you. In that case, let me please show you how easily it can hit 5x or maybe 10x. I will prove this with my technical analysis, and let me please show you. Solana can easily hit $270, which means 5x from current price, and it can easily hit 270, maybe 300 or maybe $600. Some of my technical traders are predicting the price of the Solana that Solana can easily hit $1,000 in 2021, but I think maybe $300 to $500 is the very realistic target for the Solana in this bull run. It can easily hit 5x to 10x. Let me please show you the fib retracement tool and how much price can, let me please show you. According to the fib retracement tool, what is the prediction? Let me please show you. Let me please arrange the chart. According to the support and resistance, fib retracement, next level is $48, and after breaking $48, next zone is $78, and other next zone is $126, and last zone according to the fib retracement is $203. But I think $300 to $500 is the target I think Solana can easily hit in this year 2021. let me please show you my third coin, which is Pancake. Pancake Swap Cake token is the backbone of Pancake Swap exchange, and you all know that how can you buy 100x, 50x, and 20x token because they are launching on Pancake Swap and Uniswap, and the Cake token is the backbone of the Pancake Swap. That is why Cake having very bright future. Current price of the Cake is $35, and current rank of Cake token is 28, and market cap of the Cake token is $5 billion, which is very good. 24-hour trading volume of Cake token is 704 million, which is very good. $704 million 24-hour trading volume, and circulating supply of this token is just 158 million. Just let me please show you some other statistics. In 30 days, this token gives 118% profit to its holders. All-time high of this token was on April 28, 2021, about 13 hours ago, and the price was 36.61. All-time low of this token was on November 3rd, 2020, about just 6 months ago, and the price was $0.19 only. And here you can see this is the max chart of the Pancake Swap Cake token, and here you can see on 1st January the price of the Cake token was $0.65, and after that here you can see how parabolically this token moves towards upside, and now it is at $36, which is very good, and it is available on Pancake Swap, Binance Exchange, BBC, DigiFinex Exchange, and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token on Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section, where you can get the link of the Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account of Binance. It will take only 20 seconds. Let me please show you the chart of the Pancake Swap and my price prediction. This is the Cake USD chart of Binance, and it is one day chart. It is currently trading at $34.90, and the price rejected from that zone, which is $36.85. And here you can see on March 20, 2021 in this year, how parabolically this token moves and gives 103% profit in its first uptrend. In its second uptrend, here you can see it was on 8 April 2021, and in second attempt and second uptrend, it gives 65%, and now it is in the third wave. And let me please show you how much profit this token gives in 2 months. In 2 months, this token gives 350% price increase and 350% profit to its holders. Let me please show you my first target. Once it breaks its all-time high, which is $36.85, in that case, according to the support and resistance base, the target will be this. Let me please show you. In that case, over immediate short-term target for the Cake token is $43. And if I calculate 5x from current running price, let me please remove this. In that case, let me please show you how this token can move. My price prediction for the Pancake Swap for the 2021, I think it can easily hit $500. Very realistic target for the Cake token, and I think it can easily hit $500. and if it hit 5x from current running price, the price will be $210, which is very acceptable and very realistic. It can easily hit $210 and it can give you 5x from current running price. But I think, according to my analysis, according to my prediction, PancakeSwap cake token can easily hit $500 in this year 2021, and that is my final target. I think it can easily hit $500, and this is my final target for the PancakeSwap. That's it, friends. Please keep supporting me and please thumbs up the like button for the motivation right now. And if you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel. And please, if you want to join my Telegram, link is in this video's description. And if you are new, please thumbs up the like button and please press subscribe button. And please do your own research before buying these tokens. I will not responsible any of your loss. This video is just for informational purpose only. Thanks for the watching. Keep supporting me.